today we're working on the Ford Sport Trac, and we got a check engine light on. So we're going to go ahead and run a scan and see what the problem could be. So the code we got is a P1401, which is the diffuser or pressure feedback EGR circuit, high output. So you can see that's the code we got. So I can show you where that's found at, and let's pop the hood and see what we find. So what you're looking for is right here, and this may be one of the easiest ones to find out. Look like might have been a fire or the wires had melted. Looks like what might have happened is this, which is a cover for here, might have caught on fire and melted some wires here. Those, and looks like what happened, it burned out your pressure switch. So, and it's usually a hose that runs from here and connects to the two lines there. This is one line here, and you can see the two lines. That's where the vacuum line goes and connects. So let's get this part here, a new one, two new vacuum lines, and get that put on. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut this cover off, because like I said, that may be the culprit that caught on fire and burnt everything up. So I'll get that removed, and then we'll go ahead and put in our new part. Here is our old part and new part. This is the new part, and this is the old part. And what I've done so far is connected the vacuum lines. As you can see, one here and one here, and I'm gonna run it a little higher, so I'm gonna cut those a little longer and bring my plug up top up here, and then I'll tie it to this cable here. Instead of keeping it down low where the heat can get to it, I'll put it exactly where it's at. So we got everything installed there, got the plug back on, and looks like what may have happened, looks like it got saturated with oil and possibly could have caught on fire, and that could have been your culprit. So if you do have that on there, the cover, the heat shield, and I can see one down low, but it's far enough past the exhaust manifold to where it should be fine, if you can see it down there. So make sure you keep an eye on that, and we're gonna go ahead and get it started and see what it does. So we're gonna go ahead and clear the code. It looks like that may have taken care of it. Let's see if it comes back on. Because normally once you rev it up a few times, the code comes right back. So it looks like that may have solved the problem. So if this video helps, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe and hit the notification for more upcoming videos. We'll talk to you later.